Do you need to crop a document before saving it? Samsung Gallery lets you adjust the scan area so you save only the part you need. Let me show you how. First, open Gallery app. Open a photo containing a document. Tap the text extraction icon. Then tap scan. Next, tap the adjust icon at the bottom. Now, drag the handles around the frame to adjust the scan area. You can drag the corner or the side to include only the part of the document you want. As you move the handle, a zoom in preview appears to help you make more precise adjustment. When you are finished, tap done, then tap save. Your scanned document will be saved as a new image while your original photo remains unchanged. And that's how to adjust a scanned document in Samsung Gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.